Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Tech Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Craigslist website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with your email address and password. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to change your language, then you will see the language drop-down menu at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on it, and you will see the various different languages that are available based on the location that you have selected. If you wish to change your location in order to add more languages, then click on CL Worldwide, and then choose the continent. And after choosing your continent, click on the country that you wish to connect with. Once you are inside the specific country's Craigslist page, you can once again click on the drop-down menu at the top section and then choose from the various different languages that are available. When you click on the post button, you will also see the language of posting option. You can click on the drop-down menu and choose from the various different languages that are available, and you will be able to make your post within your chosen language as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.